are working on 3.8, and we get to investigate the relationships between decimals and fractions. Just like what was said earlier, is that there is a relationship between fractions and decimals. Okay, so looking at those. They are the same idea generally. You're taking parts and you're taking wholes and breaking them into parts. Let's please not use marker, okay? We're using pencil in this class. I'll say it on the video too. I'm seeing a lot of homework that's coming in with marker and pen. I'm going to stop accepting those, okay? We use pencil, okay? So today you're going to be looking at tenths, all right? And tenths in place value is the very first place value to the right of a decimal place, okay? This tells me I have 2 tenths. And just saying it that way is the same as saying it as a fraction like this, 2 tenths. We're going to represent that with circles today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to color in 2 tenths, 2 of the 10 pieces. So you're going to be doing, you're going to be understanding these circles. You're going to be doing some comparisons between fractions and decimals. Please understand, you're also going to be comparing whole numbers with decimals. Which is greater, 2.3 or 12.3 or 12.2? 12.3 because it's 12 wholes and 3 tenths as opposed to 12 wholes and 2 tenths. Thumbs up, thumbs sideways, thumbs down. How you feeling about this activity today?